What is up, guys? Welcome to day 204. Really, video 204. It's not the 204th day of the year. If I'm lucky, if I don't miss that many uploads, I think I could get to 300 videos this year. So, we'll see. I've done 300 videos before, but I can't remember the length of time. I'm gonna have to check back on my channel for that. But right now, I'm cleaning off my plumbing supplies because we are going to get the toilet, the new toilet, the macerating toilet, hooked up to the water supply. So I have my SharkBite right here. Unfortunately, this on-off is not working, and I did figure out that it's on by pouring water through it. So since it's on, I'm going to also connect one more valve on the line, so this could be my on-off for the toilet. So I don't know if that's ideal or not, but that's what I'm gonna do because I didn't want to have to take this back, and I literally cannot figure out. I tried to pull it and turn it, I tried to push it and turn it. I cannot get it to turn off or on, so that's how I'm gonna do that. I have my half T-splitter right here, so I'm gonna run this off the sink water line, run it back to itself, run blue off here, run this valve to the toilet. So I need about 5.5 feet of tube from my other tube. I actually have some 1/2 inch hanging right here, coincidentally. It's like I own Ace Hardware around here. So I'm just gonna get a guesstimate and cut that. Good. We're cleaning the bathroom, we're just doing a bunch of stuff at once. So I'm gonna do, alright, right there, I see where I'm gonna cut. Grab my cutters, cut this pex up here. You okay? Alright. I'm gonna even out this cut. I will give you guys a little closer view of this in case you weren't here for the previous plumbing videos. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to even out the line a little bit. It's kind of hard to get straight cuts.
Are you helping, Chrissy?
Yeah, she's helping. And then I'm just gonna make this real easy on myself and do it kind of crowded behind the bathroom vanity. No, stay. Where are you going? No, stay. Stay. I just wanted them to hear the directions. You left me. She left me, you guys. Alright. Anyways. So, Christmas Eve, you're getting in the visual. Holy cannoli. Excuse me. She's a helper cat, so she can stay right there. Alright, so we're going to put this splitter on here. This is where when I split the line that's already there, I'm going to just reconnect it to itself. So I put a 1/2 inch pinch clamp on there. And then this, we're just going to pinch on until the light turns on. There's the blue light, so that's tight enough. We'll release that. These, in my opinion, are way easier to use than anything else. I should close this. Danger zone. Okay, so that's gonna come off of the sink line. Blah, 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 blah. And then once I get in there, I'm gonna cut this to size, but pretty much we're gonna go like this. Somewhere in the middle here. And then this will shark bite. Bless you. Can actually shark bite this right now. So this is a shark bite bit. I'm just gonna shove this 1/2 inch in here. Hard, like that. And bless you. And it should pull tight. And then there's this little cap. So over it like that. Okay, so now we have this line that will go up to the toilet. Boom. And then Cora's so good for the audio. I'm gonna add this in there, so I'll take you guys in and we'll show you how it's done. And then time to do the drain. This, they said, is just like a gas. What the hell did it say on this? Gas something. You just twist it, and it suctions itself on there. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Well, hopefully it doesn't leak, because outside could cost $18.99. Okay, to the other side. Okay, so this is the water line we're gonna come off of. We got our split right there, so we're gonna probably go underneath. Here, like that, like so. Alright, so I'm gonna cut right here. Couple of these out. Couple of you bad boys. Whoa. There we go. What I gotta do?
Nothing. I said Prairie's got sound effects this time.
She's so excited for the toilet.
For toilet.
Sorry, I forgot.
For toilet.
We're almost there. Blue. Okay, we're at blue. Release that. And then we're gonna figure out exactly how much length we need here. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this right here. Get another clamp. Oh, I already got one. Okay, same thing. Why do you do it yourself? Because it's too freaking easy not to. Right, babe?
Right.
It's literally too simple. Yeah, I needed that. Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna turn that off for now. Boom. Okay, so I went and turned the water off at the source. I'm just gonna cut right here and then clamp these around that. A little water might come out, but I did empty it. Woo! Catch the blood. Jeez. Can you hand me a towel, babe?
Yeah.
More water came out than I was expecting. Jeez, okay, get it. Cool it. Cool your jets, bro. Wow. Get her closed up. Jesus.
Need a bucket?
No. There we go. There we go. Close her up right now. One more clamp. One more clamp. Okay, there we go. Well, learn from me. Have a bucket next time. Oh, shoot. I moved it. Start over. Okay, this one's get off. Jesus. Oh shit. Everything's sliding. That's annoying. Here's what you do if you make a mistake like this and you have a big box of clamps. Just start again. Whew. That one gave me a run for my money. First fun part is we can never get these things open. It's awesome. And this one's brand new. I literally bought a new one so I wouldn't have to do this. Nope. It tells you how to do it, but not how to open it. So. Pry it up. So annoying. We're using the drill. we still recording?
It says prop it under and twist.
And twist. Is there like a lock? I think I've watched that exact video before. She's got superpowers. How much of this video is going to be me trying to open this? Okay, that one's open. We still got one more. Okay. Odie. What does he even want? He just wants to get his butt whooped by the other cats? That's sick. Right. Okay, now that we did that, how many minutes was that? 3 minutes just to open it. Now, we're gonna do purple first. We're going with this kind of a shape. Okay. Alright guys, always go with purple first. We got our purple. Now, I'm doing Rain and Shine blue. Rain or Shine blue cement, just in case I gotta deal with water. That's all you needed, Odie, to be held by your mommy. That's all he needed. Okay. Just want to make sure I have the right angle. So there's the first piece. All right. I'm not going to seal these up too tight. I'm just going to close them like that, leave them here. Alright, so we got our water hooked up to the toilet. We have our out drain hooked up to the macerating pump. We have the macerating pump hooked up to the rear drain toilet. Water's still not on, but that water's on. Now we just need a drain right over there. Would be nice if you guys would contribute a little bit, you know. I need some stuff moved. I need these stoves put in. I need, can you guys help? Can you paint this wall or something? No? You're just gonna lay there looking cute. Okay. That's fine. I see you, toilet. I see you. Oh. Literally, I was kind of trying to wait till you got up, so. Alright guys, time to drill. I'm terrified. I'm so scared. Wish me luck. Okay, it was flawless. Well guys, welcome to my mess of an attack room. This room is going to get attacked pretty soon. Aiden actually already organized it, but then it kind of turned into a catch-all. And there's actually not really anything in here. It just looks like a lot more than it is. So anyways, I had so much defeat in this room last night, you guys. I have the pipe coming out right here for the toilet, right? And then it's going to continue out to the tank out there, right? Okay, we got that established. Well, then guess what happened? I didn't have the right angle, and so I got shorted like one piece. I needed like one more coupling of some kind, and then one more little piece. So we're gonna cut some stuff and put some stuff together. But you guys, I was so frustrated, okay? I know I make this look like la-di-da, whatever, but I don't even like doing any of this stuff. That's what I want to tell you. Like, this is me disciplining myself to complete the project that I started and that I want. You know, I want to be able to say, hey, I built this whole entirety of the house inside this shell of a building for my family, for us to enjoy for the rest of our lives, right? I did this. Like, this is my biggest project ever, you know? Like, I don't even know what I'm going to do when I'm done with this. But anyways, point being is that it's not always smooth. I've been to the hardware store like 6 times, I think, over the last week. And there's always something else I need, something I forgot. Our hardware stores close early. The ones that stay open late are kind of far, 45 minutes to an hour. You know, it just is what it is. So last night I was so frustrated that I could not complete this project and at least just turn the water, the toilet on and see if anything's leaking, see how it works, just run some water through it, just to make sure my drain pipe is going all the way through before I hook that up to the tank. And I couldn't, you know? So today's the day. No more composting toilet after this. We're going to the macerating toilet, which is funny because the guy that I bought this place from and I bought my camper from used to have the camper set up with a macerating toilet system. So we're going back to those ages, you guys. Stay sustainable, blah, 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 whatever. Let's get on with it. Okay, guys, the time is now. All right. I'm terrified. Filling up. See where it's gonna stop. This is crazy. Whoa. Okay, guys, so I had a leak from, well, right in here where this goes, and I had a leak from this being loose, which I didn't even put this on, so I put this on, but I had a leak from up here, so we're gonna try again. I got everything dry, and let's just hope we don't hear any more dripping. Round 2. All right, I'm not gonna fill it quite all the way this time so I don't have such a mess, but let's hope I got these tight enough now. Oh gosh, see, I just moved it. Let me double check that. All right, here we go. What is leaking now? Okay, so had a little bit of leakage here before, but it seems like it stopped now. Okay. All right, guys. Want to show them? Tank's full. All right. Turns out that the two things that came installed already in the toilet were what was loose and leaking. So I took them out and screwed them in by hand myself. And now I think we're good. So if you'd like to observe. Turning it. Turn it the other way. You could go closer though if you want.
Well, I didn't know if you wanted the button or the
Oh, okay, here. Show them my half flush and my whole flush. There we go, we're going for half. Happened again. Okay, guys, this is the grand finale. We're gonna fill her up. If she leaks again, I literally have no idea. Because the only problems that have been leaking are this, and those. And all the videos that I watch say, if it's leaking from here or here, you need a new gasket or new screws, but this is all new, so. Last time, the second one, I just tried it, it worked, but the second one, it exploded, so this will be it. Okay, half flush. I'm literally terrified. Holy shit. I literally still have the towel under there in case it explodes again. Alright, refilling. Okay, this is gonna be the third time. You ready? I might have did it. Good job. Oh my god. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed my plumbing video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, please subscribe if you're new. I'm doing a giveaway of 1,000 subscribers. You won't want to miss it. Till tomorrow, you guys. Much love. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace!